Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your Quran recitation, subtitle file or text, and the video clip into Capcut. Place the audio on the timeline first so timing centers everything, then add your video above it. Once done, set project resolution and frame rate to match delivery platform and create a separate track for subtitles. Make sure to trim obvious dead space now so subtitle timing won't shift later. This gives you a stable base to align words precisely with recitation. Now you build the subtitles themselves. Use Capcut subtitle generator or add text layers for each verse line, then align each line to the audio waveform. You should zoom in on the timeline and snap subtitle start/endpoints to waveform peaks so the words appear exactly as the reciter speaks. Next, style the text. Choose readable font size, color contrast, and a semi-opaque background bar for clarity. Once styled, copy styles to remaining lines to keep consistent timing and appearance across the video. Finish by watching the full video while reading the subtitles. Pause to fix any misaligned lines or overlaps, and adjust durations so each verse is readable without cutting off. When satisfied, export using H.264 at the project resolution and confirm whether you want subtitles burned in or as a separate SRT for platforms that support them. If you notice audio drift or sync issues later, retime problematic sections or render the video in shorter segments, then stitch them. This usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.